So the other thing that we need to do is we need to, there's two doors, so we want to split this object in two. So let's draw a line. From midpoint down. And we'll select the surface and type split. Select that line as the cutting object. So now we have those two doors. Okay. And then we want to create a surface that has those two outer edges. So what we're going to do there is we're going to go dupe border, so DUP border. And that gives us the curve that's the outside. Then we'll type offset, and we'll type through. And I'm just going to kind of guesstimate based on what I saw before. And then we're going to split it again. Select that object, and then select the cutting object, which is that. So now we have these surfaces, these separate surfaces. And then, to help us out just a little bit more, to make this just a tad more realistic, let's extrude that surface. So extrude surface. And we don't want very much. Okay. So now what I want to do here is create some sublayers, and we'll call that door glazing. And then we'll create another sublayer, we'll call that frame, because now we have two different materials. So this one, we'll switch over to exterior glazing. And all of those pieces. You know what? Hold on just a second. Go back and do this properly for you. So when I did the extrude surface, I didn't have it do it as a solid, so that's why we got kind of strange surfaces. So let's do extrude surface again. And then what I want to do, let's do both sides, yes, solid, yes. So now when we do this, it'll get us the complete door inside and out. There we go. And then we can delete that surface that's in the middle. So now when we select it, yes, we have the door frame and we have the glazing. Now let's go and make our sublayers. So I'm just calling it door glazing, door frame. And I'm just going to delete that curve since I don't need it. Okay. So now I have that. Now what I'll do is select both of those and type group. So now whenever I select it to move it around where I want to copy these doors, I have that already set. Okay. So there we go. So that'll be the next piece. Then what we want to do is create this glazing between the two of them. And the way I'm going to start that off is by taking this upper panel that I made and then just copying it down. That'll be the kind of head of your door. Oops. Let's go seaplane again. And let's change it back to the world and top. So you see how where there's two kind of coplanar things, it can be kind of odd. I'm not going to worry about that right now, but if I was being more meticulous, I might delete some of those surfaces to clean that up. But for now, I'm not going to really bug about that. So let's go back to our glazing layer, make that the current layer, and then we'll finish up this piece with a 3-point surface. Down to that edge. Okay,